ESPRIT CAM is proud to present the all-new ESPRIT Learning Center, a valuable training resource created to help your facility get up to speed using ESPRIT while saving significant time and money. Today, let's look at 5 major benefits of the ESPRIT Learning Center. Number 1. Quality instructional content. Just like our on-site training, the ESPRIT Learning Center offers courses developed by ESPRIT applications engineers, our very own experts who understand the ins and outs of ESPRIT. Number 2. Accessible learning and real achievement. Courses are beginner-friendly and designed to emulate a one-on-one learning experience. Multimedia course materials clearly illustrate the concepts you need to get the most out of ESPRIT. Content is delivered in a structured, user-friendly platform that let learners easily track progress and offering official ESPRIT certification for each completed path. Number 3. Flexible, scalable learning. Learners work at their own pace anywhere, any time of day or night, without spending extra time and money on travel. Review and repeat courses at will, and practice as much as you'd like. Get the full benefit of comprehensive ESPRIT training without interrupting your workflow and train more employees at lower cost. Number 4. Get the tools for success. Not only do you get access to world-class instructional material, each enrollment includes a student license for ESPRIT so that learners can follow along with the lessons and practice on their own. Number 5. This is only the beginning. Initial offerings will include learning paths for milling, mill turn, and turning in ESPRIT, with more soon to come, keeping pace with your own advancement as well as new technologies and features in ESPRIT. Expect the ESPRIT Learning Center to grow with you. To get started on your ESPRIT Learning Center journey, visit ESPRITCAM.com/learning center.